Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. You're able to hear me, all of you. Tilak says good morning. Very good morning, Tilak. Good morning, each and everyone. Good morning. Who is this?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Amma. Very good morning. Yeah, what you people do is, I'll just do one thing. I'll mute all first of all, so that you can. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Now the thing is, you can now type your things. Let me just read out the names. Tilak says good morning. Tilak, Sanjana, and people are Harika, Rekha. One second, I'm just missing out the names. Peter, Nobel, Roshni, Srinath, Anshiti, Madhupriya, Nikita, Akshit, Kotur, Santoshi, Sriram, Sitaram, Manikanta, Sushma, Pranita, Tarun. Very good morning, Pooja, Vinay, Akshay, Sriharsha, Dongri, Rohit, Meghana. Any other names? Initially, I have missed some names. Okay, I'll just make people to speak one by one. I have just muted audio of you people. Your students' audio I have just muted just to make sure that we'll not get lot of disturbance. Because no one knows who will speak first, who will speak next. I'll give a chance to speak to everyone, but in the order of one by one. Very good morning, Manisha. Loading. Wait, I am waiting. Prince Joshua, good morning. Nandini Jakkani, good morning. This is first class, right? Yes, this is first class. Good morning, sir. Divya Teja. Voice tracking, sir. Maybe, yeah. Is this clear now? Voice is, yeah. First, make sure that we have proper audio and video. Only thing is that you should have good internet signal. Make sure all of you that you are have proper signals with you, and I should also have proper signal, otherwise we'll not get live session going on. Yeah, my voice is clear. Thank you, Power. It's clear. That's good, Satvika. Yeah, one thing to be informed to students is make sure that you have proper internet signal. You should have data as well as signal. When did offline start? Sriharsha, no idea. Can't say on that now. Yeah, clear, sir. Vaishnavi, clear, sir. Right. Kutur Santoshi, okay, sir. Yeah, we have been waiting so long. I know eagerly. Voice is breaking, sir. Pallavi, make sure that you have proper signal. If your signal is weak, you may get breaking in signal, in my voice. Voice is not clear. Video is not, yeah, video is not yet started. It is only, you will get clear video. Wait. First, let people settle down. All are giving pleasant mornings, Jordhan, right? All are giving hell. I mean, floating of messages going on here. Let the message settles once. I'll just tell you what to do. Voice is clear, sir. Yashaswini, right? Thank you. Voice is clear, sir. Right. Tilak, okay. You are the first to join, Tilak. Yan Tilak. Chandratej, good morning. Yes, very good morning, all of you. So eagerly waiting to see your face, sir. Yeah, Pranitha, my face, I am not handsome like Mahesh Babu or Pawan Kalyan. I'm just an ordinary, simple guy. Sushma, right? Yeah. Mostly, you might have seen my videos earlier. No issues. I'll show my face also, not to worry. Yeah. We have to bring our notes and textbook. Yes, you have to bring Telugu Academy textbooks for physics, chemistry, maths, and notebooks also. No, sir, I just want to say how my sir look like. Yeah, I know. Your sir look like a person. Will you send PDF, Santoshi? I'll send PDFs once the class starts. We'll share. No. You have plenty of doubts. I'll first take the orientation class. Once I clear off my orientation class, then you'll understand how to get on with the things around us, right? So that is a thing. What large data scholarship, I don't know. Please don't ask me about scholarship. You can find the contact number of scholarship in the hub. Just contact them. Please keep physics pick. How many notes we have to buy for physics, sir? October 24th. Classwork killer ayali, sir. Yeah, I'll let you know, Shivasai, not to worry. I will let you know everything. Give me some time. Let us make sure that first of all students are joined. I think yesterday I have sent this class teachment app link and almost all the students have joined. Which was other than university. Mess, hostels, cleaningness, everything comes in the picture. Your voice is talking a lot. Now is this okay now? Check out. Is my audio, is my voice clear now? Is this clear now? Now? Yes. The thing is, I'm taking up class in my mobile phone, and if I get any other messages or calls or mails in my mobile, that creates some disturbances. That creates some disturbances in the data. That creates this kind of stucking things, right? So accordingly, Pallavi, it should be clear now. Else check your. It works in background. Yes, you should log that app, the backdrop. Pallavi, you please check your internet signal. We are asked to take up, so we are taking up this. In Telugu or explain, no need to handle. No, I have not left. Shravani, I have just restarted my device. Can you hear me now, students? Can you hear me now? Oh, okay. No, the thing is, Sometimes due to signal issues, this kind of issues will arise, something like stucking and all. So accordingly, hopefully you are now able to hear me. Can you able to see the board? Can you visualize the board, students? Can you able to see the board? Yes. Able to hear me also, right? So I made my own arrangement to take this online class. This Teaching Mint app is also used by only few people here. Video is not clear. No, that is only whiteboard. Nothing I have mentioned on that. Once I write something, then you'll understand whether it is clear or not. Kundapaka Meghana. Yeah, I have not written anything there. Once I write something, you'll understand whether it is clear or not, right? Right. So you can just stop typing and concentrate on my words now. Stop typing and concentrate on my words. Just type if you are unable to hear me. That's it. No need to type anything if you are able to hear me. If you are unable to hear me, if you are not able to get my voice, then you can type and let me know that you are unable to hear so and so. I can't see the board. This is board itself, man. Can you see my hand? Ooh, boom, 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 shaka. Boom. Can you see this? Now this is a board. I'm going to write here now. Got it? Right? Right. Babu Siddhartha, mic, you say mic to be on, but the thing is all the people will start talking at a time. That creates a lot of disturbance, Amma. You can type when you have any doubt. No issues. Can't you see this hand? Can you see this? Meghna can't able to see anything. Why? Check your video, whether you have kept video off or not. Yes, it is clear. Yeah, internet issues unnavallu, like the thing is, those who have internet issues, will find it difficult. You should have good internet to attend online classes live. Clear? First and foremost, a hearty congratulations to all the students who are selected for this prestigious University of Telangana, that is RGUKT. I welcome you all on behalf of the Department of Physics, the faculties of physics. From the Department of Physics, we welcome all the students to IIIT Basar. We wish you a very happy stay, pleasant learning in your entire course of life. Today's class is named as orientation class. Orientation cum awareness class. Can you able to see this? Can you able to say this? Orientation cum awareness I have written on the board. Yeah. Right. So orientation cum awareness, for whom this is? This is for P1 students, that is the fresh batch students of which academic year? Academic year 21-22. Now this class is recording. This class has been recorded to post for those people who cannot attend online, maybe because of signal issues or maybe because of uh, uh, technical issues. Like somebody will not have proper internet signal, somebody will not have source of attending the classes also, such as laptops, smartphones may not be there with everyone. Accordingly, they may find it difficult. So I just wish all the students not to type anything else unless you don't understand or you don't listen, you don't get my voice, because if I keep on attending only your queries, you cannot understand what I am trying to tell you. First, let me tell you the entire thing in the form of orientation awareness. In this oriented awareness, we also teach the first chapter of physics called as physical world. Both all these things put together is what I'm going to teach now. And preferably you will take exact 1 hour time, as this is a lunch time. Even if it is extended for half an hour, that could not be bigger issue to anyone. Fine, right? Now let me just begin this orientation. After congratulating you students, it's my responsibility or it's my privilege to let you know the procedures to be followed, which is nothing but orientation. You should aware of these things. You know the heading, right? Orientation come awareness. See one thing, as a student, the primary utmost thing a student should have is he should have the basic thing of applying what is there in front of you. Now you have something written in front of you. You should apply now your senses. Apply your sense to understand what it is. What is orientation? How you behave. Awareness. You are now getting some kind of awareness on how to orient inside this object. In this, it is something like this. You know that ours is a 6-year integrated course. Ours is a 6 years integrated course in which 2 years will be regarded as PUC, pre-university course, and 4 years is the BTech course, engineering degree. It is 6 years, of which 2 years. And before this 6 years, what is that you had? You had your school life till 10th class. And after this, you'll be having higher studies. This is before and this is after. Now you are at this stage. Before this, you had 10th class. You are successful. Because you are successful, you are here now. You have successfully completed this part. Now you need to succeed at these 2 stages. These are 2 stages. This is called as intermediate stage. Outside, your friends who are not coming to Basar are going to intermediate colleges, right? Or diploma courses. That is called as intermediate course. Intermediate course. 2 years inter. Outside it is called as inter. In our university, we call this as pre-university course, PUC. And in short, we call this as P1, P2. How many years it is meant for? It is meant for 2 years in the form of P1 first year, P2 second year. Now you are in P1 batch. For academic year, this year 21-22, you are P1 batch students. Your seniors are now coming under which batch? They would be coming under P2 batch. And after this, you are going to get 4 years BTech program. This 4 years BTech program is a direct entry based upon your marks, what you get in PUC level. In these 2 years of intermediate, how many marks you get? According to the marks, you can choose. There are 7-8 branches what your university is offering. Mechanical, I'm not writing all the branches now. Mechanical engineering, I'm just explaining you. Mechanical engineering, civil engineering, chemical engineering, EEE, ECE, metallurgical, material science. If I forgot anything like computer science, IT, all that various branches are there. You may have interest in one of the branch. To get seat in that branch, you should excel in this stage. To get seat into this, you have excelled in this. To get seat into this, you have to excel in this. To get seat into this, you have to excel in this. See, all are linked up. And once you complete your higher studies, then you will be going either for your business things or for jobs. Mostly, most of us will be depending on jobs. And the purpose of all these things is what? The purpose of all these things is to see that we are good to ourselves and we are good to our parents. We are good to the entire society. First of all, we should be good to ourselves. If we are good to ourselves, our parents will be the happiest persons, then you will be automatically good to them. If you are good to your parents, neighbors will come into picture, and once you are good to neighbors and all, you are good to the entire society. First and foremostly, besides this education, you should have good discipline. Discipline is primary than anything else. Even if you are not educated, you can be disciplined. If you are educated but not disciplined, that is of no use. Good education is decided by your good discipline. No matter you excel in everything, but you don't maintain proper discipline, you don't know how to talk with elders, you don't know how to behave properly in society. If you behave randomly as you wish, then you are not the good citizens. Our primary job is that you should be a good citizens. Our primary purpose is that we should be a good citizens. Good to yourself, good to others. Fine? That is the first thing. So, in this 6 years, 2 years intermediate, 4 years BTech, to get seat in this, you should excel in this. Now, once you are excel in this, you go to higher, you go to next levels, you get in different things. Now, let us forget about all these things. Let us just talk about this part, because we are at this stage now. We are at this stage of 2 years of PUC course. What is this PUC course? PUC course is called as pre-university course, which is simply regarded as intermediate in the outside. We follow some books. We have, our system is semester system. Unlike outside, we have semesters. Our entire textbook will be divided into 2 parts. Exact half each. And half of that means there are 2 parts. First part comes under SEM 1. Second part comes under SEM 2. Means in 1 year of P1. In P1 you are going to have 2 semesters. Therefore, we write P1 SEM 1. Now you are dealing up with semester 1. Means first part of physics. Or all subjects first part it is. This is common for all subjects. For your EVS, for your chemistry, for your CS, for your mathematics, Telugu, English, all the subjects. It is the same. The entire textbooks of intermediate would be divided into 2 equal parts. First half would be regarded as P1 SEM 1. Second part is regarded as P2 SEM 2. You will be having exams for this first syllabus would be taken in the duration of, this is a 100 days course. In 100 days, right from today, 100 days starts, or right from yesterday, your 100 days program start. In this 100 days, we need to complete the syllabus of P1 SEM 1 physics. And once you complete that 100 days program, after that you are going to have end semester test. This end semester test is for 60 marks. End semester test is for 60 marks, which consists of what things in that? Which consists of 30 objective questions and 30 descriptive questions. 30 objective questions from all the chapters, maybe 1 mark each, depending on the situations at that time. Maybe 1 mark each, 30. It could be objective, means it could be MCQ, it could be fill in the blanks, it could be match the following, or it could be 1 word short answers. 30 questions will be there for 30 marks. And descriptive consists of 6 questions, 6 long questions. Out of these 6 long questions, students are advised to attempt any 3 long questions. Any 3 long questions. And each consists of how many marks now? Clearly 10 marks. 10 3s are how much? 30 marks. So accordingly, this is our end semester question paper pattern. So we'll be now training in this 100 days for this kind of exam pattern. I can tell you, this is not at all difficult if you focus on the things what has been taken in these classes. If you attend classes regularly, if you listen the classes regularly, getting good marks in this is not at all difficult for all your 6 years course in education. As long as you do your work properly, everything is easy. See, there is nothing called as tough in exams, there is nothing called as tough. Only 2 things are there: known things and unknown things. Known things are unknown things. If you know, you say it is easy. If you don't know, you say it is tough. It is not tough. It is that you don't know that. So is this part clear? Is this part clear? So this is the way. What is that? What is that awareness you have got now? What is our system is going to be? What is that semester system is going to be? How we are going to write the exams? And this is final exams. What I'm talking about, end semester after P1 Sem 1 100 days teaching classes. You are going to have mostly it is 3.5 months. Right from this month, right from yesterday, you can count 3 months. After 3 months or at the end of or in the beginning of 4th month, you are going to have end semester exams. You need to get good marks in this to go to the second semester. Even if you fail in this also, you'll get chance to go to second semester. But that is not recommended. We will not recommend our students so that you can be like that. We recommend our students to excel every time. Whenever any exam is going on, you should excel in that exam. You should concentrate. We are here to help you out to excel in that as a faculty. As the faculty, we are always here to help you out. You can reach us anytime for anything related to subject. Even we clear other doubts also. Only thing is that one thing is for sure. As long as the student is serious enough in studies, for sure you'll excel here. Because we are here. Every faculty of RJKT is very much interested, very much. We are always student oriented. If student comes to us for something, we definitely help it in that. Without student coming to us for what they need, we cannot do anything. We can simply take the classes and we can leave it. But that is not the job what we do. What we do, we help you in arranging all the things for your entire life. Because once you go out here, you'll be going out with BTech degree, which gives you direct job also sometimes. If you are good enough, you'll get job also after BTech. Means after going from RJKT, after 6 years of RJKT, you'll have job with you. Job is not a simple thing. It's the concept of entire life. It is a dream of many people. To get that dream achieved, we are very much helpful. We are not something like general people or general faculty who simply come, who teach and you go. That's not our job. We are not that here. We are here to teach you the life skills. What skill you want in your life. What thing you want to develop in your life. As long as you want that, we are here to give you that. Only thing is that you show us that interest. Only thing is that you show us that interest. If you show us that interest, we will give you that whatever you want. And just now someone texted that my voice is not clear. Is that same for all? Bhargav texted audio is not clear. Is that same for all? Or net issues with Bhargav? No. Yeah. It's clear. Fine. Let me go ahead. Right. See, if you are getting some signal issues, please check your signal first. If you are not getting my audio, please check your signal first. Once, if you have signal issues, then you'll find some difficulties. Right. So we are aware that we are now going to have EST exams, right? Right. Before this EST, we are also going to have some kind of common assignments for entire PUC students. Common assignment, this in the form of a quiz, chapter wise common assignment quizzes we are going to get. These are a minimum of 10 quizzes we'll get. A minimum of 10 quizzes. Where you are going to get this? These are going to be, as of now, if you come to campus offline, we'll conduct offline. If you are there at home, or if you are having online classes, we conduct online only, called as what? Common assignment quizzes. In Google Classroom, we'll create some kind of questionnaire for 10 MCQ questions. MCQ, multiple choice questions for 4 objectives. You need to choose the best one. Right? Accordingly, 10 assignments. More depending on the size of the chapter, you may have that 2 assignments from one chapter or 1 assignment from one chapter. Accordingly, we'll be having common assignments. We release the dates for this. Dates would be given well in advance. When you have, at what time you have this quiz, you should be ready online. We'll be having 10 common assignment quizzes and we'll be having 60 marks EST exam. This 10 common assignment quizzes, best of 4 would be taken. best of 4 would be taken. What is best of 4 out of 10? Means if you get 10 by 10 4 times, you'll get 40 marks. 40 marks is called as internal marks. This is called as external marks, which you write in the paper and get the marks, and this is called as internal marks. That internal marks is decided by the common assignment quiz, what we conduct regularly. At the end of chapter 1, you'll have one quiz for 10 marks. Like that, you are going to have altogether 10 quizzes from half of the syllabus of P1 physics textbook. Out of that 10, how many would be considered? Best of 4 would be considered. Means out of 10, if you get 6 10 by 10 marks, or if you get 8 10 by 10 marks, or if you get 10 10 by 10 marks, how many are been taken from that? Only 4 are been taken. That means 4 into 10 gives us to 40 marks. 60 marks is external, 40 marks is internal. Yeah, I'll come to that every point, Pawan. Like I'll come to that whether syllabus. Some syllabus is reduced last year. This year syllabus is reduced or not. Once I take that lessons wise, you'll understand that one. I am about to tell that. Not to worry. Fine. So this is about the exam pattern. Now let us talk about physics part. Now let us talk about physics. Physics P1, like first year physics P1 textbook consists of 14 chapters. How many chapters are there? In P1 textbook of first year, 14 chapters. In this, Sem 1 is 7 chapters, as I told you. And Sem 2 is again 7 more chapters. So, first we will be concentrating in Sem 1 first 7 chapters. Whereas in P2 physics second year textbook consists of 16 chapters, of which 8 chapters comes under Sem 1 and next 8 chapters come under Sem 2. See, P1 textbook consists of 14 chapters, of which 7 chapters comes under Sem 1. We will be right away starting this. Whereas after Sem 1, we will be dealing the next 7 chapters in the form of Sem 2. In the same way, the second chapter consists of second year consists of 16 chapters, of which 8 are Sem 1 and 8 are Sem 2. This is the way how our syllabus. Now this is 7 chapters. Now just someone asked me the syllabus part. We'll be having some kind of reduction of syllabus according to the government decision. If government decides to reduce, last time it was 30% syllabus reduced because of some less number of counting of classes due to COVID effect. Accordingly, this year, what university or what government decision has taken? Government decision means Board of Intermediate decision. What decision they will take, accordingly, we cannot now talk on the reduction of syllabus. Last time it is reduced, now it would be reduced or not, we have to wait and watch. As of now, what we have to do is that we have to go ahead with this thing. Is this physics part clear? So what is that? Physics consists of 14 chapters. Straight away we need to start 7 chapters. And somebody asked me that how many marks for fail? The same question can be asked, Abhi, the same question can also be asked stating that how many marks to get pass. Because fail is some kind of a negative sentence, negative word, and pass is some means you should focus on positive things, right? Stay positive, not corona positive, right? For corona we should stay negative, but remaining all things we should stay positive. Yeah, that's fine, Abhi. Just learn the things. Now nothing issues, no issues. You are just the growing up kid. It takes, but the thing is, pass marks usually anywhere it is 40%. In our university, 40% is a pass mark. If you get 60. I mean, if you for 60 marks you're writing 60, 40%, 6 for the 24 marks is a pass marks. 40, 24%, 4 2 the 24. 40% of 40 is how much? 16 marks. Out of 40, you should get 16 marks. You should get all full by full to get 10 CGPA. Now, please ask your questions a little later. Let me just conclude the things. You can, we'll attend, we'll have this interaction a little later. because we should manage our time also. Let me just, because if you keep typing, I'll be missing some of the questions. That's the problem. I may skip some of the questions. Just wait. What I'll do is, see, the time is already 12:11. Right. The thing is, so are we clear with P1 physics? Don't bother about P2 now. Right now, only P1. So there are 7 chapters in P1 physics. Let me just give some more knowledge. In P1 Sem 1 physics, there are 7 chapters. Now let me talk about the first one. Listen. Out of 7 chapters, first chapter, there are no marks for this first chapter. No marks will be given from this first chapter. No questions will be there in the exams from this first chapter, or sometimes you may find hardly one general question from this chapter. This physical world is only that kind of a chapter which gives an overview of physics. What is overview of physics means? First and foremost, like, what is physics? What is physics? Now we can start discussing the things. Yeah. Okay. Right. I have discussed something so far in the form of exams, right? All right. Somebody asked about notes. I'll discuss that also. Now, see. Let me just switch to physics part now. We have just given. Are you clear? Something about how the orientation and awareness means? Orientation and awareness is a general idea. How a student has to behave. How a student has to behave. Now, secondly, now I'm going to focus on how to learn physics. After that, I'll attend other things. How to learn physics. A student can learn physics more effectively by interacting in the classes. You should interact. You should interact either with the faculty or with your co-students or with any others to apply what is known to you or to inform them what you have understood. And interaction is a basic thing in learning any subject, not only physics. So overall, I am going to conduct my classes which are going to be more interactive, more subjective, more interactive, and it becomes easy the more and more numerical problems if you solve. More physics becomes more easy if you apply the things what you have understood then and there instantly. If you understand something now, if you apply that onto anything, then you'll understand the physics behind that. Or to learn physics thoroughly or effectively, you should have what? You should have interactions with others. You should keep on interacting. Simply by listening to the classes, simply by reading or by hearting the formulas, you cannot learn physics. You'll get marks, no doubt. You'll get marks in that, no doubt. But that will not give you the subject. That will not give you the concepts. From here onwards, one thing I want to tell you. From till 10th class, it was simply learning or writing, giving the marks is needed. But from here onwards to excel, to get job, to get MTech degree, to get BTech degree, getting only marks is not sufficient. Marks will be, every student will get marks simply by hearting. But who will get job? Those who are not by hearting, those who are understanding the concept, and those who are going for interviews, they will get the jobs. Because in interviews, you will be asked some kind of application questions. Means how we apply so and so thing. How we apply, so it may be maths, it may be physics, it may be chemistry, it may be any subject. How you applying that is that you need to understand. Then you will understand, you will get the entire concepts easily. There, that helps you in building up your lives. By hearting will not work out. Muggifying, simply mugging the things or by hearting the formulas will not work. You should remember that. You should understand that. Right. So the first thing clear, we have first chapter named as, I will not talk much on this first chapter, physical world. from tomorrow, we straight away start our first chapter, that is second chapter, called as units and dimensions, measurements. Units and measurements, we have to start that chapter straight away, because concentrate. See, we cannot waste time on various things, because this is the introductory class. I'm giving you some kind of awareness things like this. From tomorrow, straight away we jump to the class. How you need to attend the class? You need to attend the class with a book and a pen, and understanding and writing the important points, what you learned from that. Instantly write down the points, what you understand, and once the class is completed, at any other time, write down what is that you have learned from the class in the form of the fair notes. You can make your own notes by listening the video or the live lecture first. First, attend the live lecture with a book and a pen, write down the important points. Now, I'll be presenting like this every day. I'll write everything on the board, I'll show you. Even if you write like this, that will sufficient. Later, you can again fare that one. What is that physics sir has taught you? You can fare that at a later stage. Right? So, let me just now talk about the first chapter called as physical world. In this physical world, we have the overview of physics of 2 textbooks. Just now we said that there are 2 textbooks for 2 years of PUC course, right? These 2 textbooks, in these 2 textbooks, what all the chapters are there, those chapters overview is given here. Means what are various things are going to come across in this physics. Can anybody now tell me the various chapters, what you know from physics so far in your 10th class? What are the various things you have learned? You can type now. You can start typing now. What I'll write here. Let me know what all the various things you have learned so far. You have learned optics, somebody mentioned, kinematics, reflection, vectors, right? Kinematics, electromagnetism, refraction, electricity, refraction, gravity, motion, states, electricity, thermodynamics, relative velocity, motion, error, work, energy, power. Very good. Oscillatory motion, heat, too many messages, carbon, classifications, diffractions, metallurgy, wave, magnetism, gravity, optics, light. Right, enough. That's fine. It's enough. Nature of center of mass, right? See, there are too many things in physics. Yeah, right. Now, when it comes to the overview of physics, what all the various things you have learned so far, and what is that you are going to learn at the next stage. Every time when your class changes, the standard of that concept is going to change. Earlier, we start with the basic part. Later, we apply to much more bigger extent. In that way, out of different years, 6 years of study, you're going to get same topic, may be same, but the standard inside the topic is going to change. You have studied optics earlier. Now again, you're going to study optics. But what is the difference here? Difference is that you will be learning only basic part earlier. Now you are going to get some more advanced part. And at a higher classes like BTech or MTech, you are going to get much more advanced level. It is same thing like how we start learning mathematics. We start with numbers, then we get with additions, we go with divisions, we go with multiplications, subtractions also included, then fractions, then different things like decimals or LCM, GCD, roots, quadratic equations, right? Quadratic equations, ax square plus bx plus c, solving that matrix. What are different things in this? Is all entire mathematics only, but what is that we are learning in this maths? Though this is maths only, what is that we learn? We are getting different things. In the standard is going to increase. Same thing here. Standard is going to increase. In this overview of physics, we talk about the various branches of physics. What all the various branches of physics we have? Like optics, you said. Like optics deals with what? Optics deals with light, right? Optics deals with light. Now what is light? Lens, light, whatever it is. What is light? See, firstly, let me just simply tell you, you cannot imagine the existence of the present universe. Everything what is happening in front of us is explained thoroughly by this physics. How that is happening, why that is happening will be explained by physics, or physics in simply the nature. How this nature is moving ahead is governed by certain laws. Laws of nature, the laws that are governing the nature is thoroughly explained by physics. Or in my words, this is a scientific theory given by various scientists, but in my opinion, physics is life and physics is love. This is the thing what we have in terms of physics. What is physics? Physics is life and physics is love. If you love your life, then you love what the physics is. If you love your life, or if you try to understand how your life is moving ahead, if you try to understand how your life, everything in your life needs physics. You know that? That simple thing. Simple thing. Everything in your life needs physics. Now I wish students to answer this. How? I wish students to attend this. Tell me how physics is helping us in making our life to go ahead. Students can now send your answers. Type your answers. How physics is helping us in going ahead into our lives. Somebody says technology, somebody says light, somebody says friction, somebody says same friction, force, motion, physics. The thing is, many messages I'm skipping, most of the messages I'm missing out. Right, gravity, motion, gravitational friction, everything. Any unique answer can I get? Any unique answer can I get? Right. See, just imagine, right? Proof, knowledge, law of physics, everything, right? Right. Measurements, right? Mobiles, quantum physics, right? Good knowledge you have. I appreciate that most of the students are well acquainted with the basic parts of physics, about universe, about physics, about humans, right? TV, right? Everything is physics. No matter what the hell you think, it's physics only. The depth of the physics is equal to breadth of the physics. By Nityananda, hopefully you have seen that video. The breadth of the physics is equal to the depth of the physics. Have you seen that video? Nityananda about physics and got net loss YouTube. No, see that very funny video it would be. Nityananda, physics by Nityananda and got understood. You get physics by Nityananda. Oh, people may thinking that I'm talking in Telugu. No, मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ. Anybody from Hindi medium, I can talk in Hindi also. Physics by Nityananda बोल के YouTube में सर्च करो, तुम्हारे को मिल जाएगा. Anyways, let's get back to this part. Now your answers are completed. Now what is that I say? I say physics is life. Because just imagine these things. Just think of yourself right from the time you wake up till you go to bed, what all you do. Right from the way you wake up until you go to bed, sleep again, from morning to night, what all the various things you do, see what is happening in that. What all the various things you do, what that we do immediately after waking up? Okay, we go to washroom, that's a secondary thing. After that, we brush. For brushing, Ashwini says brush. Yeah, for brushing, what is that you need to do? You need to make a paste to come out of that tube, right? Paste should come out of that. Paste should come out of that Colgate and you should brush. For brushing, you are applying force on the hand, and see here, the paste what is coming out of the tube is following capillary action. Any fluid comes from the small opening. How it is coming out? How that paste is coming out? We press at one end. You're applying pressure or force at some point, creating some pressure at the other point. This is connected by one kind of a law called as Pascal's law. Without your intention, you're applying Pascal's law on that. Applying force creates force at some other place, called as Pascal's law. Force is distributed equally in all the directions. Because force is distributed, then only it is able to come out from the other end. If force is not distributing, if Pascal's law is not valid, then it would be remaining inside only. You cannot able to brush. And if you cannot able to brush, you cannot able to eat. Some people may eat like that also. That's not an issue. That is secondary. That is secondary. But still, the concept is clear, right? So now at the very basic part, we have used now the concept of what? Capillary rise, capillary action, Pascal's law while brushing it. In life, we are applying physics. In our day-to-day life, we are applying physics. And to come to that brush, you should walk on the road or in your home. While you're walking, you should not slip. You should not skid. Then how are you able to walk? A person is able to walk because of friction. Friction is again physics. If there is no friction, you will slip, you will fall down. You cannot brush, you cannot hold. Because of friction only I am able to hold this. Because of friction only you are able to hold your brush like this. If cannot have that friction, then this slips, no brushing possible. Able to stand because of gravity, otherwise you would have gone to some other place. You would be floating in the air. And to have a good sleep, first of all, you should have fan or AC, which runs with electricity. Electricity, generation of idle power plants, nuclear power plants is physics. Generation of energy. Rotatory motion, fan, very good. Rotatory motion, you have to wear proper clothes. Washing machine, the drum has to rotate. Again, rotatory motion. After brushing, you should eat something. Heating, heat energy is supplied to a container. Container should withstand that heat. If container, we cannot withstand that heat. You cannot keep your hand on a stove and keep it like that for a while. But one thing called as a utensil or a bowl is withstanding that heat and raising the temperature. After withstanding so much of energy, it is able to cook food for us. And when you have to eat, you should chew it properly. You should churn it. Conductivity. You should take that kind of a metal. We cannot randomly take one metal and conduct. That is heat concept. Transfer of energy. Transfer of energy, heat supplied by the stove is given to the bowl or the vessel. When it is taking place, we apply the principle of calorimetry. Heat. Right? We are going to apply. This is second case. Now, after eating is also done, what is that we do? We listen music. We listen music, or we may time pass, we may study also. But let us go the other part. We listen music. Pressing of clothes, ironing the clothes, right? Everything is, see, without electricity, we cannot imagine the world at all, first and foremost. Without light, without energy, nothing can be, without electricity, nothing can be imagined. Now I'm taking class, you are listening. There is internet, there is a phone. Phone consists of many components. Phone consists of many components. Playing games, everything needs electricity, internet now these days. Technology is again science. Semiconductor physics is that which deals with this device. Operation. Mobile is the composition, mobile, computer, calculator, radio, TV, fridge. This is a combination of collaboration of too many semiconducting devices where we have physics. Laptop, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, all these things. Wait for some time, you'll get. Now I just got one call, accordingly that is disturbed. Manikanta Reddy. Lost voice. Somebody called me, so signal is fluctuating. Is that fine? Fine. So, anything else needed? Like to understand that physics is our day-to-day life. Is anything needed to understand like physics is nothing but our day-to-day life? What all the things we deal this, and let me tell you, this is the only thing. What all the things happening in front of us are explained thoroughly by physics. This is the only thing which made me interest to do more and more of physics, which helped me to learn physics more, which is making me what I am now. Physics is nothing but our day-to-day life. Now, sometimes, like, see, some more examples. The formation of rainbow is explained by reflection, diffraction, light. Formation of rainbows. Raindrops are spherical in nature. Raindrops are spherical in nature. Scattering, sound traveling. You're able to visualize light. Sunlight is not there, we can't do anything. Everything would be dark. Light is again electromagnetic nature, spectrum, dispersion. Like that, you do have too many things. Out of all that many things, we take some basic introductory part in these two textbooks. What is the overview of physics now? There are too many things to be understood in physics. Those things in the order of one by one. What is needed first? What is needed second? What is needed third? Accordingly, in that order, we take that and we learn in this 2 years of textbooks. Now, what all the things you have texted here? What all the things you have texted for various parts of physics? All those things we will learn in this 2 years of textbooks. Even some more might be missed, also been introduced. Like, see, in one class we cannot teach entire physics, right? I have taken some, you have given some, but some more, many are there. Infinity things are there. Can we deal infinity in one time, in 1 hour? Ohm's law, Pascal's law, Charles' law, Boyle's law, various laws are there. All these things. Formation of rainbow is a naturally occurring phenomena. Raindrops are spherical in nature, is a natural phenomena. The natural phenomena, like planets are revolving around the earth. Earth is revolving around the sun. Why we are falling on the earth? Why are we not going to any other planet when we jump? When you jump from the surface of the earth upwards, why are you again going down? Why are you not going other place towards other planet? Gravity, because earth gravity is more on us, we are attracted by the earth. If some other planet give gravity on us, definitely we'll go there. Just get this small point. When you are jumping from the surface of the earth, because we are acted upon by gravities of all the planets. In fact, gravity of earth is acting, gravity of Saturn is acting, gravity of sun is acting, gravity of all of the planets is acting on us, because we are one part of universe, right? All the things are there. But out of all these gravities, which one is more on us? The gravity of earth is more, as that it is now attracting us to the earth. If not, earth gravity is more, if sun's gravity is more on us, then the moment you jump from the surface of the earth, you would be straight away going towards the sun. And if you go there, you'll not come back. That is a secondary issue. Yes or no? As simple as that. Gravity introduced by Newton. Various scientists. See, under this heading of physics overview, you will come across a word called as unification. Unification and reduction. You should understand the meaning of this. What is unification? What is unification? Unification means the combination of too many smaller things. The combination of too many smaller things. Now, mobile phone, it is unified with many small things. Yes or no? You might have opened a mobile and checked. You might have opened a TV and checked. You might have opened calculator and checked, computer and checked. What is that you'll find in that? If you open any TV, what are you going to find? Too many components are connected and placed at one place. That is the meaning of unification. Nature is also the same thing. Nature, universe is also the same thing, which is the combination of too many things in that. How many things are there in the nature? Planets are there, plants are there, stones are there, chairs are there. In front of me, I have too many things: chairs, table, benches. Oh, hell of things are there. You can also check in front of you. Can you simply say infinity? Combination. Now, can you combine all the infinite things at one place and do something? You can create. That is the way how the performance of computer is different from phone. What is differing here? Computer is working in one way, phone is working in some other way, TV is working in some other way. How these are working differently? Different things are combined in some particular form. And to be serious enough, once you complete your MTech, you'll be getting that knowledge also. Which components has to be combined to create what? In that way, different softwares. In that way, combination of various things is called as unification. Combining many things or putting them in one form is called as unification. Now, sometimes what I do, I'll remove one by one. 10 are there. I take out 1. I made 9. Reduction. Hopefully, you're getting this, right? So, accordingly, in this universe also, too many things are there which are unified. Now, entire physics laws also, entire nature is governed by certain laws. Those laws are explained by physics. This physics is explaining those laws based upon what concept? Based on the concept of unification and reduction. Sometimes some of the smaller things has to be combined. Sometimes some of the things which are not needed has to be reduced. Scientists will put forward different theories. We have many scientists, like thousands or lakhs of scientists are there who put forward different theories. How do they put forward that theory? They study more, they understand more, they research more, they explore more. After doing all that, they keep on adding. They will not do it in one day. They'll take some years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. They do research on many things. While doing the research, what they do, they combine the things what are needed. They remove more things what are not needed. Accordingly, the procedure followed to create some kind of a concept or a theory is the procedure called as unification and reduction. Everything, same thing in the form of measuring the devices also. We start our physics. Now, in these 2 years of physics, we start with the basic part of measurements. Basic part of measurement. How much is this? How much is this? We are measuring. How do we travel? How much distance we traveled? How much length we covered? How much time we are taking? All this will be having certain specific times with that. Measurement means what? Measurement. I say my height is 6. If I say my height is 6, what does it mean? My height is 6. I have to say specifically what 6 is. 6 centimeters, 6 millimeters, 6 meters, 6 feet. So that concept of units, that's what the first chapter is, units and measurements. How we measure. This is the basic part what we are starting our physics is. Slowly we start with measurement. We extend topic by topic, point by point, and we go in that way. And in the first semester of physics, we are going to deal with all the basic parts in one proper order. In one proper order. I can take like this for 2-3 hours also, nothing wrong. Foot and feet, plural feet, right? Is the concept clear? Somebody asked about unification once again, sir. It's a simple thing, man. Somebody asked, I forgot that. Unification in one more time. Nothing is there. Unification, unifying the things, identifying and combining all the various things. How you make a computer? What are the various things present in a computer? Is it only one thing present or too many things? Too many things are combined. Unifying means too many things are combined. Software is something different. Loading Manisha weight. Manisha loading weight. Software is something different. It's a program actually. But components is hardware. I'm talking about hardware here. Unification means combining too many things at one place. Now, this is a marker. This is unified, combined with one more thing. If you open the mobile phone, you'll find too many smaller components present. Combine. See, why we use this unification word means scientists will put forward any kind of a theory. By doing a lot of research, they unify the things, the needed things. What do they combine? Scientists will put forward one theory, maybe Newton's laws of motion or Kepler's laws of planetary motion or any other law, Einstein's theory of relativity, right? All that different theories are explained by doing hundreds of things put together. They'll not put 100 together randomly. They'll take some important points and they unify. I have 100 points. I have to put here. I'll put 50 valid points in this. I'll remove 50 invalid points. Removing that invalid points is called as reduction. Simple thing, right? Like that. In these 2 years of physics, we are going to have only the basic introduction of all the things which are needed for your engineering classes. Once you go to engineering, what all the various things you need, those things, concepts would be understood in the 2 years of first 2 years in this intermediate, in this pre-university course. We'll be dealing with 2 years of physics, which is going to deal with the entire physics concepts right from the beginning in one proper order up to certain standard. Some would be beyond the concept also. Those would be learned in the higher classes. Some would be very basic. And I can tell you, only in this P1, SEM1, the entire concepts would be damn easy. P1, SEM1 physics, entire is purely based on the basic part of physics, which is going to be easy. Right from SEM2, you need to have more concentration to understand the things. Easy only, not tough. When it is easy, when you understand the things, it is easy. We are here to make you understand that easy. We are here to make you understand that. You should listen, then try to understand. If you are still not understanding, you ask us, we will help you out and see why, how can we can't get that. Only on your, that's right, depends only on your concentration. E is equals to mc square, famous scientist. Who gave this equation? Who gave this equation? E is equals to mc square. E is equals to mc square. Einstein, very good. What is E in this? What is E in this? Energy. What is M in this? What is M in this? Mass. What is C in this? Speed of light. Very good. You know all the things. So Albert Einstein says that E is equals to mc square, which is like this. I learned that from my education, from my past education. E stands for education. Education is equals to memory into concentration square. Education is equals to, this is what I learned from my education so far. Education is equals to memory into concentration square. Then we do come across many such equations. F is equals to ma. F is equals to ma. Kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. Potential energy is equals to mgh. We do come across many equations like this. Everything in physics deals with equations. Dealing with equations is mathematics. Physics and mathematics can never be separated. You cannot understand physics without knowing mathematics. Second law, first law, right? Anyways, we do say that under physical world, under the setting of physical world, we say now that physics can be learned by using mathematics. All these things, nothing but using applying mathematical formulas. Without mathematics, without mathematics, there is no physics. Without mathematics, we cannot understand physics. Mathematics helps us in learning the physics by making it in very short. If there is no mathematics involved, I have to write the entire equation, that is energy is equals to mass into velocity of light whole square. But maths is helping us in writing that reduced form. Under unified form, it's a bigger one, but reduced form, this is a reduction. This is a reduction taking place. Okay, I just want to apply this. I'm applying this part of reduction here. If this is not there, if this reduction is not there, I have to write this. Is that not time consuming? Is that not lengthier one? Now, what is this? F is equals to ma. F is equals to ma. Force. What is m? You people know it as force is equals to mass into acceleration. But I know family is equals to maga into ada. F is family, maga into ada. See, physics is everywhere. It is humor, it is fun, it is romantic, it is everything. Physics is everything. Physics itself is life. Can we imagine our life without our family? Do we have family? Are you there without your family? Are you there without your family? So this is what I just want to conclude now. I just want to conclude with this. You can go ahead, nothing wrong. You can go ahead. What we do is that we straight away start our Nandini Jakkani, sir, your big humor. Yeah. I'll just conclude this video session now. Is that okay? We can have some general discussion if you wish for some time. Shall I close this video? You want to see me? Yeah, I feel shy not to show you my face to you people. Siggestundi naku. నాకు తెలియదమ్మా రియాజ్మెంట్ గురించి ఇయర్లీ వెయిటింగ్. Anyways, okay, upon fans' demand, what I'll do is that I'll just switch on my camera also. But this is me with this big, and this is me. You can just remember my face if you wish. May not be handsome, but I'm really good at my heart. May not be good at physical looks. You are smart, you are handsome. Yeah, I'm good by heart. My physical looks may not be good for everyone. Milky boy. So Sushma says that being good at is enough and nizanga physical balance now. Okay, then agreed. Hey, even I have dimple also, you can check if you wish. I have dimple here. Yeah, cute dimple I have. I'm maintaining that right from childhood. Nani, no, I like Pawan Kalyan. I'm a hardcore fan of PSPK. He's like any other fan. I also consider him as my God. My entire life is based upon, I say that we should be a good citizens. I say we should be responsible. I say we should be disciplined. And I learned all these things only from Pawan Kalyan. Politics, Jai Sena, no, but yeah, I'm teaching from campus itself. I am now in one of the classroom. I can show you that also my face is enough. So this is a classroom and I made arrangement for this. This is a place where I kept my phone and this board which I arranged in between two tables so that I can keep my phone on this. I can make this one to be visualized and I can see the phone instantly so that when somebody texts me, I can see that also. If I put some other stand and all, yeah, if I put some other stand, I may not be able to see your text messages. So accordingly, I made all these arrangements just to make sure. Yeah, Monica, good comfort zone. Yeah, physical classes starts. It may start from November 1st because actually in university there is some visit by university like net people. They will visit us. They will visit us for NAC accreditation on 24th to 27th. So mostly after November 1st, physical classes may start. Physical classes may start from November 1st. Till then, let us have these classes, right? Yeah, scholarship section or reimbursement, Kalyani, I don't have information on that, but I can provide you the number. You can contact them. My laptop speaker property ivvaramma meeku. You will not get laptops because me previous batch వాళ్ళకే ఇంకా రాలేదు because of corona and all. No classes were going on, accordingly no laptops were given for them also. Yeah, funds are the issues what we have. Anyways, as of now for 1 year you may not get laptop, minimum 1 year. Will you give the number of whose number? My number is already there in circulation. My WhatsApp number, you can make a note of this. I'm just typing now. And this is my WhatsApp number 7382443277. You can get in touch with me. And for scholarship, you can ask me personally. I'll provide you that number. Inken se wait chestava itilla kanpishna kada. Oh, you mean to say in the campus? That's fine. No. I gave some other number. No, physically. Yeah. But to Rekha, that's fine. Got it. Yeah. We'll do that. What we'll do once the class resumes. Once the campus resumes, we can start that. Yeah, I made and arrange it through physics, right? Yes, I made all the arrangements using physics only. The physics, we should apply physics. Good sense of humor sense. Thank you, everyone. Show P1 classes are now. Right now, I am in P. These are engineering class blocks. Almost all the same, all are same. These are the classes. Right now, there are no classes going on. Actually, I thought of taking on that board, but something is written on that board is not been erased. It is not going. So I made alternative arrangement like this. The chair with a marker and all. Labs will be there, but not right. Fine. I like the way you teach and interact. That's fine. Physics should be learned through interactions only. I don't have physics books now. Somebody have that image. You can share that. Telugu Academy textbooks only. Yeah, you can use your